let's evaluate 6 factorial plus 4 factorial. To evaluate this one, kailangan makuha natin yung value ni 6 factorial at yung value ni 4 factorial. Then we are going to add. Okay, so we have here 6 factorial plus a 4 factorial. Ano ba yung value ni 6 factorial? We are going to get the product of all positive integers less than or equal to 6. So we are going to have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? Plus, 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? Then we get the product. 6 times 5 is 30 times 4 is 120 times 3 is 360 times 2 is 720 times 1 is 720. Okay? Plus 4 times 3. That's right, 12 times 2, 24 times 1 is 24. Then we add 720 plus 24 is 744. Ganun lang yun. Ang dali naman. Now you try. Evaluate 10 factorial plus 8 factorial. What will be the answer? Don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!